Hello friend, today we will show a special trap in bishop opening. Here queen is trapped. So one should play very cautiously in the opening. Let's start. White plays e4, then e5 is replied. Here white plays bc4, bishop opening, then black respond with nf6, threatening to take pawn on e4, and white replies d3, saving his pawn. Here black respond with c6. His intention is to play d5 at appropriate time. So here white respond with nf3. Now this pawn cannot be taken, already saved. Queen will go here check and this will take. So here black plays d6 deliberately. Here white can mistake with knight on here g5, a very weak move. He leave this square f7 unguarded and allow white to play ng5, a weak move. So here white is very cautious, does not play like that. If he plays, we will show in the actual game, white plays cautiously castling. But if he plays, let's say ng5, what will be the result? Keeping pressure on f7, then d5 is the answer, then e d5, c d5. Now bishop b5 sack. Here bishop d7 is the answer. Then bishop cross bishop, knight cross bishop, and here castling. Then bishop will come to d6 and c3 and castling. And here what white gains? He is lagging in development. Here black is slightly positive 1 point, and threat is like he can win tempo with h6, winning a move, free move. How he will develop this bishop? It is a problem for white. So white does not play like that. He plays cautiously castling. We will take back. This was the position. Here white does not play ng5 but play castling. And here now what black can do? He will do castling. He will save his king first. So played bishop e7, and here rook e1, then castling. See the c3. See this move, taking control on d4 square, and here knight bd7. This knight is developed, and now this knight on b d2, and here rook e8. See this move. Here black thinks that he will play bishop on f8 and then d5, and want to play his rook in open line. But this is a mistake. Here this diagonal is weak, this square is weak, e6. So here white strike with bishop cross f7 check. See this move? If king is saved, he will win the exchange simply and win the game. This is taken by king, and then knight sack. What to do? He cannot play on f8 because of knight will go here, winning the queen. Also this king and queen are forked. So what to do? Only move is he will play king on here g8, then knight on e6, threatening to win the queen, and queen has only 2 space. Let's say he played any of this square, then and c4. Now what to do? If black plays here a6, knight on here is enough, and c7 is enough. If he plays queen on here, b5, then a4 is enough. What to do? What to do here? This is knight square, this is knight square, this is knight square, and here is pawn, here is queen, and only move is queen a6 and nc7. Now, if black mistake further, queen cross knight, let's say, then d cross c4, and both rook are threatened, and here white wins the queen, and also now exchange. So here black resign. Hope you enjoyed this trap. Stay tuned with Gupta Chess 15. If you like the content of this video, then share with your friend and comment. Also subscribe our channel Gupta Chess 15. Thank you.